Ooh, hit hard.
Really?
Yeah, the van's fucked.
The van and the truck?
Yeah, because everyone slowed down for the fire truck and a few people didn't.
Who hit the van?
The van rear-ended it. The
Oh.
van's at fault. Yeah, you know, going to church. I'm not even driving in this. It's too slippery. The
Yeah.
accidents are going to be too many. It's not worth it.
Yeah. I don't want to drive too like this. When I drive like this, honey, when I get home, I'm very sweaty. Everything's sweaty. My head, my armpit, everything.
It's called nerves.
Yeah, last time I drove like this, honey, when I get home.